Hey everyone, my name is Arjun Ganeshji. Today we are going to look after .NET MAUI framework from which we can develop mobile application. So before knowing more about .NET MAUI, we'll just look how Visual Studio Community Toolkit can be downloaded. Just go to Visual Studio official website, click download here. This should be start downloading the file. I already downloaded. So after downloading, just open the setup file of Visual Studio Community Toolkit. There you need to download some stuff related .NET MAUI. This takes some time. Here you need to install the NuGet packages, all the related stuffs regarding .NET MAUI. Okay, here you need to tick this box .NET MAUI platform app UI development. This comes with .NET Native, .NET Standard, NuGet Manager, everything you need to start a new project on .NET MAUI. Yeah, it comes with .NET MAUI, .NET Framework, C Sharp. This is the language we use to develop .NET MAUI and NuGet packages. Then just press on modify and start installing. It will take 1 hour time because of the large file 10 GB. So after installing, just launch Visual Studio Community Toolkit. Okay, now we can learn more about .NET MAUI here. So .NET MAUI, MAUI full form is Multi-Platform App UI, which is a cross-platform framework for creating native mobile and desktop app with C Sharp and XAML. Using .NET MAUI, you can develop apps that can run on Android, iOS, Mac, and Windows from a single shared code basis. .NET MAUI is a open source and is the evolution of Xamarin.form. Xamarin.form is also from Microsoft, which from which we can develop Android apps. So currently, it just supports the current version of Android and iOS. The coming upcoming versions it won't be able to support. So they're shifting to .NET MAUI, and also this .NET MAUI extended from mobile to desktop scenario with UI controls rebuilt from the ground up for performance and extensibility. Then, if you previously used Xamarin to build the cross-platform user interface, you'll notify many similarities with the .NET MAUI. However, there are some differences. Using .NET MAUI, you can create multi-platform apps using single project, but you can add platform-specific source code and resources if necessary. One of the key aim of .NET MAUI is to enable you to implement as much of your app logic and UI layout as possible in a single code. Let's just start our first project. So uh, just select Maui here and click this. Give any name. I'm just going with the default name my app one. The current version is .NET 7, so you can select 6 or 7. Just don't go below that and press create. So this should be creating a new .NET MAUI project for us with some hard-coded code. Okay, yeah, here we go. So this is the solution of my app one. So currently I don't have any emulator. Okay, let's see. I think I may have an emulator. So here you can select any emulator, any version of Android needed. Okay, create a new. Pixel 5, Android 13. I'll reduce this to Android 8. Google API, Play Store. Yeah. Just then press on create. Accept. Yeah, this will download Android 8 for us, from which we'll be able to run .NET MAUI or any Android application. So this is a virtual mobile, you can say, a simple word. So here, if you go understanding the code until the downloading progress process is continuing. So here in platforms, you can see this supports Android, iOS, Mac, Windows, and Tizen. Here, like platform specific code also you can give, which is different for Android, iOS, and all. So you can change when the same code runs in Android, uh, do these many changes so it looks good in Android. When it is running in iOS, change this color, change the format of the toolbar, something like that. So in resources folder, normally app icon will be there. Any font family you need, this will be there. Images, whatever the images you'll use in this project will go under images folder, and splash screen image will go in splash folder. This style or decorating or any color, like any customized styles will go in this style folder. You can reuse this component. So this is where the this is not opening. Uh, okay, this is where the application comes first. uh, here from my program. From here it will go to app. Yeah, here it's building a new MAUI app called app. So from here it will go here. Okay, it's taking time to open the file. So normally XML file will come with two files. One is C sharp coding and front end XML. So here this is the front end of app, but normally this page will just navigate app shell. So in app shell you can give the details like navigating from one page to another page, registering the routes, all those stuff you can give in app shell. I'll just show how this works. Yeah, okay, after creating the new page we can do that. Yeah, here normally when it comes to app shell, it directly takes main page as a root page. So currently we have only one page, that is main page. So it navigates to main page. When we create any other pages, we will just have to register the root of the new page here in this routing route register route, like that. And also we need to put that here. We need to add the new page in this file, myprogram.cs. So this is the root page which after splash screen will be visible. So this is the first page you can see of the application, and this is the integrated code of the page. So now basically this hard coded code will do is like just a counter thing. If the emulator is ready, I'll just show you. Okay, just 18%. I'll just pause the video, continue later. Welcome back. My Android emulator was not working properly repeatedly, so I decided to show the code on Windows machine only. I'm just running the code on Windows machine. The same output will be visible on the mobile phone, just the view will be different. Here the view will be large covering to window, there covering to mobile space. um, okay, here it is. This is the output. Even in mobile, it looks in the same way, just only in this much space. So here, if you click, the increments will increase. This is the basic application. We will try doing some changes here. So this is the main page UI. So here, vertical stack layout. There is an image, label, and a button. The same you can see here. Image, labels, and a button. Oh, I think this is Android. You okay? No, not. Okay, we'll change this. So first we'll try to change the title of the page. My RAM is very less because of this emulator also didn't deploy properly. Let's put to login page. Login page. And also there is a property called hot reload. So every time you make changes here, the same will be reflected in the web page. For example, just now I put as a login page as a title, so the home has changed to login page the same way. So vertical stack out, I need vertical stack layout. I'll just delete these two labels. Even I need a image, but of less size. So height I am just setting it to 100. Then okay, that's good. Now I'll just add a frame. Frame is just like a container. So in the frame, you can give border color. Border color, just give orange. So because the background is black, okay, even I can change the background color here. Background color, put it as white. You see how the UI looks. Yeah, the background color is white. The login has changed. The image size has been changed. This is the frame with the border orange. Since the background is white now, I'll just make this border as black and background color white. So this is the frame. Okay, so this is the frame. Okay, then we can give height and width request. Height request will give 100. Width will give 200. Width request 200. So inside frame, um, you can put any children. I'll just put stack layout, just for a demo how you can use all the components. Orientation, horizontal. Then here, we'll try on radio button. Radio button takes properties, background color, content, I guess. Yeah, content, login, then group name. Just give any name. I'll just give it as one. Control copy. Register. Group name should be same so that radio button will work properly. We'll just check the changes. Okay, the radio buttons are working fine. The text are not visible because of the color, I guess. uh, Text color black. text color black. Okay, yeah, both are visible. Oh, it's visible only when we hover. I think I'll just increase the width request here to 300. Oh, something is happening. Okay, that's about radio button. Horizontal, we'll see some other properties. Spacing is there, yeah, equal spacing we can give 20. And also horizontal option, this will be start and expand. Okay, this is about frame. And also you can, if you see here, the border is little bit square, you can change that border radius property. Okay, okay, corner radius, if I'll give 20, so you'll be able to see in a more curved manner like this. Then we'll just change the way button is there. Clicking, we'll just give same text, click me. It's not showing, I guess, here. Okay, frame. uh, we'll just give an entry, placeholder, enter name. This is a simple entry. Paste password and then a button. Okay, text, login. Default color will be given for the button also. Yeah, this is the button. This is the enter text, enter password. You can also modify the width here of the text, the entry. Width request 200. Horizontal option center. The same stuff go for password. We'll give background color for this as blue, light blue, dark blue, blue violet. Okay, deep sky blue. Okay, see, this is the enter name password. We'll just change the size. Width request 200. Horizontal option center. Yeah. This is how the UI designing works. Each and every, this is a vertical stack layout. Um, this is the first stack, second stack, third stack, fourth stack, and fifth stack. So inside the second stack, again the stack layout, where the orientation is horizontal. We have two label radio buttons here. S- don't know the reason why this is getting hidden. Okay, usually it won't happen. Then it's the entry. to enter username and password. Then this is the login button. So in the backend page, you can give once clicked in login, like whether you need to navigate to other page or do some operations, those stuff you can give over here. So normally for the old application, on clicked, if the counter is 1, just increase the counter, and replace the text button, like increase the counter, and the text inside the button, change the text over there. This is the code written here. So now we are not using this. Like this, once you clicked on the button, what need to be happened can be given here. uh, that's it for today. Thank you.